What's going on? You made it to day two, and probably the biggest thing is if you're watching this video, you are absolutely doing everything correct like you should be, which is fantastic news. Here's my one pager for you. It should be posted in the Google Calendar. I'm going to show you kind of my Google Calendar, how you should look at it. Because these calendars were shared with you, I would strongly encourage that you're looking at it and you're using it to the best of your advantage. One thing to just point out is with the Google Calendar, and hopefully my Google Calendar has been fixed. You can look at it on the hub, but again, you shouldn't have to necessarily go through the hub. You can actually go through the Google Apps and get into the calendar right there. So if you just take a look at Wednesday the 9th right in here, if I just click on one of these, it's going to give me all of these details right here. And then it has this one pager, which is what I can click on. And then if you just have questions, you want to ask something that you don't quite understand, anything like that, I have office hours set up for a Google Meet where you can just pop in and I will give you feedback, whether it's I can talk to you right in that moment or maybe we just need to set up some other time to connect. Just keep in mind that's what's happening here on the Google Calendar. Okay, so I know you're trying to process a lot within these first couple days, but just do your best. So today's video is posted right here at the top, which obviously you've already clicked on it and you've gotten to it. So good job. As far as other things, we don't really have anything new. Wednesdays are really going to be designed for office hours. Probably as the year goes on, we might be trying to do some review activities during this time, but just for today, since it's the first Wednesday of the school year, you really just have time to work on the stuff that you worked on yesterday or that was given to you yesterday. Okay. So you can kind of do that. So you're going to keep working on the mathography if you've not completed that. And then down here is where you can get a hold of me via the Google Meets. My office hours are posted right here. And here's the link. Or you can just search OMS Hill Off or Hill of, and the OF just stands for office hours. So I just shortened it up to make it a little bit easier for you. And then sending me an email. You don't have to memorize how to spell it. If you just literally type my name in on Gmail, it will find my name right there for you. Okay. Last little plug that I want to just put in there is now that you're in sixth grade, please make sure that you're checking your email 2 to 3 times a day. You never know when a teacher is going to contact you and reach out to you. And it's just really good to stay on top of that. So I'm hoping all of my links will work perfectly for Thursday and we don't have any issues like we had today. But I would just make sure that you can check that stuff out today and let me know if it still is not working, and we'll try to troubleshoot it before we get to Thursday. Okay? So you're doing a fantastic job. Just continue doing what you're doing, and I'll see you on Thursday.